Hi everyone, now we are going to see the functionality about GPS device fixed in our vehicle. Before going to start, we have to know what is the purpose of GPS. GPS means to global positioning. The system is used to monitor the location of our vehicle. It is achieved by GPS technology. Other than that, some of the features are geofencing, live tracking, online support to on and off the vehicle, playback option, etc. We provide both the web-based and mobile-based application to monitor your vehicle. To do this, each and every user should possess a unique username and password to maintain the record on the cloud. Now we shall proceed with the live demo of it. First open the web browser and here you are provided with three main pans. One is monitor, statistics and devices. Under the monitor it is divided into two main parts. One is in left side and another is in right side. In this left side you are provided with three options: all, online and offline. In all, it will show all the devices under your register ID, whether it is offline or online, everything will be shown here. In this online option, it will show only the devices which is in online, and in the offline option it will show only the devices which is in offline. So here under the online, the second pan will display the map view and points the exact location of the vehicle where it is. Here we also provided some options to change the map view, such as satellite and traffic. Here the red marks in the routes will shows the heavy condition of the traffic and green is normal. Come back to the left pan, click any one of the device. By clicking on the device, it can display the tag name, status of the device, whether it is in online or off state, latitude and the longitude of the device. Under each devices, you are provided with additional three more options, namely track, playback and other option. By clicking on the track, it will redirect it to a new page. Once if the vehicle is in online, we can able to see the live movement of the vehicle here, and at the top of the screen it will show the exact address of the vehicle, and this address will be refreshed for every 10 seconds. Switch over to the previous page. By clicking on the playback option, you are redirected to the next page. Here it is used to view the routes traveled by the vehicle for last 3 months. We have an option to view the specified period of data to view. To achieve this, you have to enter a start date and end date at the topmost right corner of the screen. And also you are provided with the download option. By clicking on the download option, a pop-up window will be shown. Here again you have to enter the start timing and end timing. The timing should be within less than with 3 days, and start the download option. Again to the previous page, under the other option, you are provided with geofence, device info, track download, location, stop engine, restore engine, SOS number and check status. We can see in depth for each option provided here. So clicking on the geofence, it will redirect to a new page. Here we can fix the area that the vehicle should travel. This can be done by two formats. One is circle and other is polygon. After fixing an area, you should give the fence name, mobile number and choose the type of alarm. The alert message will be sent to the given mobile number. And this polygon format is used to fix the area manually. By clicking on the device info, it will show a pop-up window. Here the detailed information of the device will be shown, and you are provided to fix the limit of overspeed. Once the vehicle cross over this limit means you will get an alert message for your number. Already we have seen about the track download. So next is location. By clicking on the location, we can see the exact location of the device. The next is stop engine. By clicking on the stop engine, we can stop the engine if the password is correct. And by clicking on the restore engine, we can restore the engine if the entered password is correct. The next is SOS number. If you click on the SOS number, it will use to communicate the owner of the vehicle through the registered mobile number once the button is pressed by the driver at the time of emergency situation. By clicking on the static button, you can view the report that we provided, such as moving overview, mileage report, overspeed details, alarm overview, alarm statistics, alarm details, everything in an Excel format. By clicking on the device button, you can view all the details of your devices, such as target, license plate number, IMEI number, model, overspeed, SIM card, group and operation. You are also provided with target group. This target group is used to target one or more vehicle together to do some group operations, like setting overspeed limit, geofence area, etc. Finally, we reached end of this video. Thank you for watching this.